Right, big news coming in. This is from Kerala. Argentina football team featuring Messi will be playing in Kerala next year. Kerala Sports Minister V. Abdul Rahman has revealed that the Argentina football team, including of course their legendary player Messi, will also be visiting Kerala next year for an international match. I want to immediately bring in Shibi Mol KG for the latest on that. Shibi, good afternoon. Now, I understand that also in Kerala, football and international football of that stature, Messi have a lot of popularity. So what is this about? What happened? How did the Kerala government pull this off?
Well, Pooja, the discussions have been going on for a long time. In fact, last year, the sports minister, Abdul Rahman, had held meeting with the Argentina Football Association officials in Spain last year. He had went to Europe and, checked the facilities there, the football facilities there, training grounds and all that, and held a meeting with the officials. So there have been discussions going on, but a final confirmation was awaited. The Argentinian officials had informed that, they're interested to come to Kerala and play football. But there have been concerns regarding the fund, regarding the facilities that we can provide, because a team of that stature coming to a state like Kerala and playing, there of course needs to be a lot of facilities, good stadiums that needs to be arranged, and also a lot of fund was required. Kerala is going through a financial crisis also. So in that case today, Sports Minister confirmed that the funds will come from sponsorship. It will be the trading associations in the state that will be providing the fund, and it will take place under the supervision of the state government. In fact, this definitely is one of the biggest news if it happens next year, because, as we know, Kerala, it's the most popular sport in the state. We've seen the craze for football in Kerala during the FIFA World Cup, and anytime there's an Argentina-Brazil match, the fandom goes into every corner of the state. And, when you visit Kerala during the Football World Cup, you don't feel like it's a state in India.
In Kerala with the rest of the team members. And I can already imagine how many people would want to be there in person at the stadium when that happens. All right, Shibi Mol getting us the latest that's coming in from the south.